Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on BlackBull Markets. So first of all, what you need to do is create yourselves an account and verify that account. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, check out the previous videos that I created for BlackBull where I explain you how to create an account. If you want to demo trade, you won't need to verify your account. But if you want to use a live account, you need to verify your account. So right now we just created ourselves an account and then we go right here to trading accounts. And then you will have here live and demo. I will show you today how to do this for a demo account, and this works exactly the same for a live account. But for a live account, you need to verify your account. And I didn't verify my account, so I will show you exactly what you need to do with a demo account. So from now we click here on create account, select right here the platform that you want to use. So I recommend you to use TradingView on BlackBull because that is the best analysis system that you can use for all the trading accounts. Then after that we select right here at currency US dollars, then select at leverage what you want. I want 1 to 10. Account type is standard, and then right here balance we do 100k. Then we do submit, and then right now he's creating ourselves the account, and that will pop up right there. So we do a quick refresh, and then right now we find our account standing right here. This is our new trading account. Then right now we click here on trade now, and then he will send us right here to the TradingView website. I immediately log in right here with my account. So right now if I'm searching for my account, let's say, yeah, this is my account right here. And this is now how I can trade. If you won't immediately send to this TradingView with that login, then click on connect and then log in with your TradingView account. And you can switch between those accounts right here on this arrow. Then after that, what you want to do is search right here in this bar for the symbol that you want to trade. So today I want to trade Ethereum. Then we click on Ethereum, and then right now we have Ethereum right here on the chart. Then right here, you see here the order type, or no, not exactly order type, but you will find right here your order list where you can create yourselves an order. So let's say we want to create ourselves an order. We select right here buy or sell, so what you want to do. So let's say we want to buy, then click here on the cross. Then from here, we see right here the price where we can step in. And then right here, you select units. So you can also change this to risk to US dollar or to risk to a percentage balance, but units is for now fine. So I want to put this on 1. Then we go to exits where we can create ourselves a take profit. So now we can fill in right here 2200. And then right now when you will hit 2200, you will automatically close or trade. Now we can also do this for a stop loss. So let's say when he goes to 1800, he will close or trade automatically. So now we are doing on risk management. And then right now, if you click right here on buy, you will see right here, if you go to orders, oh, sorry, we click here now on the cross. And then right here, you see here that he will buy or order when the price goes under this price, because we created ourselves a limit order. So now he will wait until this price will hit, and then he will push that order as a position because the price goes up exactly at the moment that we created ourselves the order. So if you want to create a direct market order, you select right here market, and then he will directly buy it for the price at that moment. But right now we created ourselves a position, but let's do this for a market order. So now we click here on buy. And right now you see right here that he immediately create ourselves a position. So now we have a position right here. So decide if you want to do this for a limit order or a market order. Now if you want to close our position, we click here on the cross, click here on close position, and now we close the position that we just created. Now, if you want to do analysis or stuff like that, you can go to the left right here where you have lines where you can draw lines to the point where you want. You can also do right here some nice indicators to it, or nice, let's say a trend-based FIB extension. If you want to do that, you can do that like this. But you have a lot of options right here to do analysis with. Then right here, you can select right here how you want to see your chart. You have also indicators right here. So if you click on indicators, you can search here for indicators. So let's do RSI, and then you can add right here an RSI to the chart. If you do right mouse click, you can remove it like this. And yeah, this is everything that you need to know to trade right here with BlackBull Markets using TradingView. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.